Lamborghini closes on Super GT points lead as JLOC takes third win of the year at Motegi. Lamborghini's JLOC team clinched their third Super GT 300 victory of the season at Motegi. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. Drivers Yuya Motojima and Takashi Kogure charged from 17th on the grid, cutting their points deficit to just 11 ahead of the season finale at Suzuka. Despite a challenging qualifying session, where rain relegated the #88 Lamborghini Huracan GT 3 EVO 2 to 17th, race day brought sunshine and opportunity. A bold strategy and strong racecraft allowed Motojima and Kogure to capitalize on the dry conditions and move up the field. Motojima's aggressive start saw him gain 6 positions early on. He skillfully maneuvered past competitors, entering the top 10 within 6 laps. The team opted for a strategic rear tire change, setting the stage for Kogure to continue their ascent. Kogure took over, leveraging the tire advantage to overtake the #65 Mercedes and the #31 Lexus, securing the lead. Despite slight contact, Kogure maintained control, leading the #88 to victory, while the #87 car finished 4th. Takashi Kogure expressed his happiness, saying, "Motojima-san was really fast. I thought we could make it into the lead group." Yuya Motojima added, "This is a race that we won thanks to the people at Yokohama Tires. I am truly happy with this." Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up and share. See you next.